morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are taking care of yourself because you are at home. But though you are at home, but if you play here and there, what will happen? Nowadays, it is not good condition outside. So, be at home and take care of yourself and your family members. But along with that, we have to study also. So, today we will do EVS, and in EVS we will revise certain chapters which are important and useful for next class also. So, today we will revise chapter number 21, Up in the Sky. Now, previously you have learned about up in the sky. What are the things you see in the sky generally? Sun in daytime, moon and stars in night time. Sometimes in daytime also you can see moon. That reason behind that you will learn in next class. And you see in a rainy day when sunlight also comes, you can see rainbow also. You can see clouds moving from here and there in the sky. All these things you see. Okay, so this first starting of this revision session, we will do activity and along with activity some exercise also, so that you can revise easily whatever you have learned previously. So let us start. What do you have to do? Yes, it is here written, draw the things we see in the sky and write about them. You can see here it is written, things we see in the sky. One by one we will first write, then we will draw, then we will write one sentences of each of them. Okay, so let's start. First we see, we will write here sun. S-U and sun. Then we will see right here moon, M-W-N, moon. Then stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. Then clouds or rainbow also you can write here, rainbow. Rainbow, okay? Rainbow, then clouds. Clear? Now, first we will draw and then we will write about them. Nice. Okay? Okay. Here we will draw sun. We will draw sun here. This way. And after completion of drawing, we will write about sun, then moon, then stars, then rainbow, clouds. So moon we will draw here. We will draw like this way. It will look good. This is moon, then stars. Okay. Then rainbow. Here we cannot color because rainbow colors chalk is not available with me. I will draw the shape of the rainbow like this way. I will draw only the shape of the rainbow like how in your book it is given. I am showing you this way. I will draw rainbow like this way. Okay, when you draw rainbow, you have to color. Which color? You have learned now. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, and you have done assignment also, no? G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. 7 colors make a rainbow. So you draw here rainbow. First we will draw clouds. We will draw clouds. This one. Yes. First. 1, 2, 3. We will write blue here. No? With another color. B, I, B with here. You write here. Yes. G, then seven colors of rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors is a rainbow. Now next, clouds. We draw the clouds. This way, clouds. Okay. Draw it. These are clouds. Yes, clouds. Okay, now sentence about this we will write here. We will write here sentences. Sun. It is, we will write it, is a big ball of fire. One sentence only. The sun gives us heat and light. Therefore, so you can include when you write other things. Moon. The shape of the moon is changing, always changing. The shape of the moon is always changing. Right? Okay? The shape of the moon is always changing. Fine. The shape of the moon is always changing. Now come to stars. Yes. Stars. Stars twinkle. Twinkle in the sky. In the sky at night. Okay. Rainbow. A rainbow has seven colors. Okay. Clouds. Clouds floats. F-L-O-A-T-S floats in the clouds float. Floating down the floats. Cloud float in the sky. Okay. Cloud float in the sky. So these are the things we generally see in the sky. We have drawn the picture and we have written one sentences about that. You also draw these pictures because here I have not colored the rainbow 7 colors. When you draw, you have to color accordingly as I given in video: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So you also have to color and learn the spelling of these colors name. Okay, so do practice, children. In revision session it will be helpful for you. Okay.